Uh, Hello students of class 8, this is your alternative English class, and we have already completed the question answer part. Now comes that grammar section, and in the grammar section a review is made about that brief review is done about clause and the two types of clauses. Now what is a clause? Again it is given. A clause is a group of related words which contains a verb. Without verb, no clause can be there without verb. So a clause is what? A group of related words which contains a verb. Clauses are divided into independent and dependent clauses. There are two types of clauses. One is dependent, the other is independent clause. Dependent clauses are also of two types, but that will come later. In this class I will not be mentioning about that. Now I am giving you the definitions of what is independent clause, what is dependent clause. An independent clause contains a subject and a verb. If you come to an independent clause, then you must be sure that it will have a subject and a verb. And if taken out of the original sentence, if that independent clause is taken out of the original sentence, it has meaning of its own. Then too, that independent clause will have its own meaning. Now, a dependent clause cannot exist on its own. It cannot exist on its own. All the time it needs support, or it depends on the independent clause to complete its meaning. It cannot complete its meaning without the help of that independent clause. Now, I will be providing you some examples. Okay, examples. Each family who takes up residence on this estate shares a common name. Now here, the above sentence can be written in the following way. Each family shares a common name. Each family from first two words and then comes to the last four words makes the independent clause. Each family shares a common name, that is independent clause. Who takes up the residence on this estate, with who it starts, that is your conjunction, so it is dependent clause. It depends upon that independent clause. So this is an example of what sentence, where I will be telling it in the next class. But till then, goodbye. Thank you.